What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. We're back at the garage. Got the classic. Sheesh, what's going on? What are we doing today, bro?
We lowering the classic.
Oh, yup.
Oh, yup. You already know.
What's going on?
We turned this 20 half turns, and then we stiffened your preload a little bit.
Oh, yup.
So it, just in case, gives you a little bit of stiffer ride. So next, we're gonna put on the wheel, test fit it, and see from there how we do. Woo! Sheesh.
Let's see what's good under here. Oh, not this dusty ass engine. But hey, don't pay attention to that, guys. We're gonna look at this shiny stuff over here, which is the camber adjustment.
Yeah, we could adjust it more. We could push it all the way in if you want.
Not all the way. Can we do like medium way?
A schmedium? We can give you a little schmedium.
I guess we're gonna give this thing some camber. Here, I got you.
That's 50 full turns.
Alright, guys. So before we did 20 turns and we dropped it right now. It went a little lower, but not that much. So we did an extra 30 turns, which means 50 turns total. So yeah.
Wow.
Again, we can also camber it. So
that's what we're gonna do right now too.
We're gonna get this thing fitted. Alright, guys, so this is how we're looking. Car is a little bit lowered and more camber. I'll just show you. You guys see the wheel. Yeah, oh yeah, you can definitely tell on camera. So, yes sir, looking pretty good. It is rubbing a little bit, so we're gonna have to roll the fenders, but we're gonna do that later. But we're gonna get some grub. We're hungry. It's I think it's lunchtime, right?
It's lunchtime.
Yeah, it's about time.
Past the heckle.
Yeah, should we clock in or clock out or you know?
Nah.
Lucky fuck the
Fuck
boss.
the boss.
Yeah,
Bro.
fuck the boss.
He ain't even here, bro.
Yeah, he's not. So yeah, fuck him, bro. Sheesh. Oh yep. So yeah, it's the next day, guys. You guys can see the front. It's a little bit lower, a little more camber. Nothing crazy, but it looks good. What is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've uploaded. My bad, but we're back with another vlog. I just want to start off this video by thanking you guys that are subscribed, the ones that just click on the video still. Thank you guys. You guys are the realest for sure. So yeah, man, thank you guys. So I haven't been uploading, but I have been grinding, guys. The grind's still continuing. So we got some holographic broke boy stickers. Finally got the hang of this machine. So just been honestly making a bunch of different type of designs. This is on the website as well. So is this holographic one. That's what it looks like. But yeah, I got this pink glitter one too. So lots of stickers and designs coming out. Just been messing around with it, but been really happy with the results so far. Sheesh, we got some parts right here though, guys. This is for the Civic. I'll show you guys this in a second. That's gonna be the video today, but damn, we got some chrome grills for the classic, the lower and upper. Sheesh, okay. And we still have the exhaust right here. I know I told you guys the Civic was gonna get the exhaust done a couple weeks ago, but the tow truck driver that has been towing my car, he wasn't available until this week, so for sure this week the Civic will be getting its exhaust done. So yes sir. So I actually have to run to the store real quick, but let me show you guys a sneak peek before we go. Ooh, alright, that's not that. Alright guys, so before we work on this beauty, I'm gonna run to the store real quick. Do want to give it a wash like always, but I do want to buy a water stain remover by Chemical, guys. I've seen it on sale online, so yeah, I want to try it out since I do have a lot of watermarks, especially right here. You guys can see. So thankfully it doesn't get baked in the sun, so these water stains should be able to come out pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna buy that water stain remover, and we're also gonna buy some double-sided tape. Leaving the store right now, was able to find the water spout remover, and we also got the mounting tape that we're gonna be needing for the install later. So yes sir. So it's actually the next day. I just washed the car, but now we're gonna be trying this out. I actually tried a little area right here and it already looks so much better. It looked like this beforehand, and yeah, this shit actually works with just a little bit of elbow grease. So yeah, there was a lot of watermarks right here. I barely put any in there and it looks so much better. So I'm gonna do this whole area, since this is the side that just gets plastered by the sprinklers. So yeah. With some elbow grease, just took out all my water spots. It's pretty crazy. I can still go in a little bit more, but it's already pretty much gone. Wow, pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, guys, so the Civic is actually supposed to get picked up today. It's gonna get the exhaust done, so hopefully we have enough time to install these parts. So let's take a look and see what's inside here. So the first thing we're gonna install real quick. Sheesh. So this is it's for the airbag, the deletes in the dashboard. So instead of having the airbag right there, I'm just gonna plug it up with this carbon fiber plate. It should look way better. Let's go see. Yeah, so it's gonna go right in there. It should look so much better than just having a hole right there. Alright, so I think I might need to glue the edges or double-sided tape or something, but pretty much it's supposed to go in like that. So I cleaned the window up so you can see on the other side. But yeah, this gives a way better look of it. Oh yeah, I love the way carbon fiber glistens. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. So we actually have one more carbon fiber part to install, and it's somewhere over here. So the next thing we're gonna be putting on is so it's a carbon fiber cover for the gas door. So we didn't really paint the door, so I thought I might as well just get a carbon fiber cover for it. So yeah, this one for sure. I'm gonna have to put some double-sided tape on it, but it should look way better because yeah, I'll show you guys the door right now. Yeah, so we never got around to painting the door, so it's not even clear coated. Doesn't even have any paint on there. It's just sanded, so yeah, it should look way better. That way? Yeah, this way. Yeah, it should look way better. So I picked up this Gorilla Glue mounting tape. I've used it before for a duckbill on my E92 a long time ago, but yeah, it should perfectly do good enough for this. Weighs like, I don't know, like an ounce, 3 ounces, weighs nothing, so yeah, a couple pieces should definitely be good. Alright, so these 3 pieces should be good, but I'm gonna put a little piece right here and a little one right here just to be safe. Alright, this is for sure not going anywhere. Let's go see how it looks. Alright, so this is how it's looking, guys. I wish it wasn't so close to this side. I kind of put it just a little to the right, just a little bit, but looks pretty good. Just makes it look so much more complete in here, and carbon fiber just looks good, man. Oh yeah. Yeah guys, so now we pretty much just wait. I'm still waiting for the guy, and then she's gonna get sent off, get the exhaust done, and we're gonna be driving her. That's literally all she needs is the exhaust, and then need a new front windshield. Still, if any of you guys do mobile replacement for windshields, let me know, but yeah, it's not too much to get her back on the road, guys. Really, it's just the exhaust. Well, I cannot wait to drive, man. I'm so excited. Still have these Civic shirts as well, guys, so if you guys are interested, you already know, link down in the description box. Sheesh, so it's later in the same day, guys. Me and Marcel just came back from the junkyard. What did we get into, Marcel? What's going on?
We got you some trims.
Oh, yo.
I stole me a few solenoids.
My boy needed some transmission solenoids for his cross tour, but yeah, we're getting all the trim on here. It's gonna look so much nicer, more complete. And also we picked up some side mirrors, so I think I'm gonna paint them black. I'm not really feeling these, so I think the stock mirrors just painted black will look pretty good, so we'll see about that later. But yes sir.
Oh fuck that is.
So I thought the Civic was gonna get picked up today, but it didn't, so I don't know if they meant next Wednesday, but still got the Civic. It's okay, it's looking good. Oh, the sun is hitting that carbon fiber door. It's looking good, but right now we're actually gonna be working on the Classic real quick while my boy does this. I'm gonna knock out. The car looks good, but I only have one complaint. The rear is a little bouncy, so I was doing some research, and it looks like my shocks just might be just bad. So the front ride's okay, it's not too bad, but the rears, they're pretty bouncy. So I'm gonna replace the shocks. These feel way better. Anyways, these are like way girthier. When I pull out the one that's in there, I'll compare them, but these should definitely help the bounciness in the rear. I'm gonna take out this one out of the box real quick. Right, guys, just pull out the right shock. We're comparing them right now.
Listen.
Yeah.
You got about 3 more months in these.
Yeah, so these are way better, plus they have adjustability, so I'm pretty sure this should solve the bounciness in the rear. And if it doesn't, then let me know, guys. I have a classic. I know what I have. It has 200K miles, so I don't know. What do you think is a reasonable price for an 07 classic right now in this current market?
How many miles it got again?
It's got like 200K-ish, you know. I'd say at least.
I'm thinking 12 bands, maybe. Nah, I got these wheels on it, never mind.
Bro, I was thinking at least like 60 bands, bro. 60K? 60K OBO?
Because of the wheels, huh?
Yeah, because of the wheels, yeah.
I felt that, definitely. Without the wheels, 12 firm.
Yeah, so if these shocks don't have my problem, 60K firm, let me know, guys. I know what I have. It's a fucking classic, baby, 07. Alright, guys, new shock is in there. And also these have dampening right here, so I think it's about 10 clicks. I'm gonna just do 5. Leave it about halfway. Oh, hold on. 1, 2. Alright, guys, both sides are done, so we're gonna go test drive that real quick, and hopefully the bounciness in the rear is fixed. Also, my boy put most of the window trim on for me, so we have these bottom pieces right here, but they're peeling, so when I paint them black, should look good. You can see window trim is on this side as well, looking good. So yeah, we have these pieces, but again, we're gonna paint them black just so it looks good. Sheesh, car is coming together. Again, if anyone has PCI side skirts, holla at your boy. If not, I'm gonna just get some stock ones for now. What are you doing, bro?
Now you're starting to fire.
Oh my god, transmission, solenoids and shit. I'm not gonna ask.
I'm selling these 200 a pop.
Yeah, so here's the bottom pieces right here. As you guys can see, it's peeling. So yeah, we're gonna paint them black, and they'll look way better. Alright, guys, we just got back. Went and got some semi-gloss paint, but the car feels way better. Yeah, what do you think?
Shit, busting.
Yeah, it feels way better. Also need some brake cleaner, and we're about to paint some shit. You already know, guys, we got the paint booth up and running again. So yeah, Marcel is running into some issues with his transmission solenoids on his cross tour.
What being static, son.
What are you saying? What's happening with it? Just what?
Oh, my shit's always been leaking, obviously. You know, I just keep putting my JB Weld patch patties on that shit. And that shit's been leaking for a minute. I guess it was like bone dry when I tried to start it and shit.
Shit, fuck.
And I put it in dry and that shit wasn't moving. I was like, whatever. Because I put a cord in before. I was like, I know that shit's leaking for sure. Put it in dry and that shit wasn't moving. Put it in reverse. I was like, what the fuck? So then I put like 3 quarts in. I was like, alright, for sure. It's just dummy low. And it was cool. And then, whatchamacallit, D4 started flashing and the fucking check engine light came on.
D4?
Yeah. So I hit up Jesse for his fucking scanner because he had the same problem with his shit.
Oh, yeah, no,
and then it was the solenoids, of course, so.
Yup.
That shit ran low, now tripping, but it's alright, getting all pimped out.
Yeah, so my boy snagged these at the junkyard.
Snagged a few.
Literally snagged them. Don't ask where he smuggled them, but
you see the blood marks on my socks.
Strapped on the socks. I wish I could have fucking finessed the mirrors, but legit, there's no way. And I have these big ass trims, but you know.
You could wear a hoodie. That's what we needed to
yeah.
Or like one of them big ass trench coats and shit.
That wouldn't have been sus at all. 90 degrees.
Big ass top hat.
Yeah, so my boy's painting the new solenoids. You know, just making them look a little purred. But those are looking good. You already know, guys. Shout out to the plug, super clean. Hooked it up with the degreaser in a bottle too, so we're gonna clean these up. Just scuff them up a little bit too, and then paint them black. Alright guys, this is how they're looking. Looking pretty good. Just waiting for them to be fully dry, so don't get any thumbprints on them, but yeah, looking good.
Not too shabby.
Alright guys, had to lower the window real quick so I can put on this trim right here. I'm honestly surprised the battery is still good. It's been sitting for like a month or two, honestly. So good shit. Not bad, Optima. Alright guys, that's how we're looking so far. We got all the trim on this side except we're missing the one inside, but you can't really tell. We got the outside, we got that bottom one now, painted black. We found this one in the back of the car. It was a little warped and just faded, but we're making it work. Sheesh. Now I just need side skirts. I'm gonna just end up getting some stock ones if I want to get some PCI ones soon. But damn.
Give you some BN side skirts.
Some BNs?
Yeah, off of IS 300.
Sheesh, car's looking more complete for sure. Man, I can't wait to get the exhaust on already and then everything else and just drive this shit already. But I'll do this side real quick. This trim, we don't got any. Yeah, this side's cleaner. We got all the trim on this side. Not missing the one in the inside, like on the other side, but looks like a complete car now. Hey, if you guys are liking the content and want us to draw more videos, drop a thumbs up. If you guys are new, you already know, hit that subscribe button. Hella content coming.